Okay, this is my handbag, my carry-on. Ito, yung porter na to, nakuha ko lang to sa ukay-ukay. May backstory pa, pero tsaka na. This is Camille's suitcase that I'm borrowing because I really like it. I like the color. This is my insulated bag from Gordon Miller. It's super good. Daming pagkain yan. Yung mother-in-law ko maraming pinabili. So what I do is, actually inside there, they are beef empanadas from Kuya. What I do is cooked frozen and then put it in a really good insulated bag. And then when you arrive, ako every time when I arrive Manila or Dubai, frozen pa rin siya. Oh, sa lahat na nagtatanong, got this from the travel club. Same with this one. This is actually my favorite talaga. I really like it. It's called Ace. I got my black cap from Gordon Miller, my shirt. Ano ba to? Hindi kasi maraming nagtatanong palagi sa comment section kung anong suot ko. So, or anong brand. So yeah, Snow Peak. This is, ano ba to? Uniqlo and Mizuno. And my socks, I forgot where. Okay, I'm going to the airport. I have work in the Philippines for just a few days. It's very, very important, the work. I'll tell you more about it as we carry on with this vlog. And I said goodbye na to Finn. And I will say goodbye to Mama. Mama! Ayaw pakita. Ano mo, yung mga baby ba, parang, do they know that aalis ka? Kasi yung babay niya sa akin, parang sarap ng babay niya Anyways, okay, late na ako. Punta pa ako kay Ricky. Ricky boy. Hindi, dali ko. Mabayad ako. Okay, settle muna tayo kasi marami tayong papaayos dito kay Ricky boy. Brakes. Tapos, wag na natin banggitin yung ibang biga. Yeah. Ang mga needs lang. Yeah. Yung mga wants, wag na natin isama sa video. Okay, iwan muna natin yung ating baby. Isang baby. Tapos, ito si Ricky boy. Sana pagbalik ko dito, makilala ko pa yung kotse ko. Hindi, may mga konting adjustment. Konting biga lang.
Surprise.
Konting kung sa Tagalog to, konting anik-anik. See you in a few days, Dubai. Woo! Let's go. We are boarding in a few minutes. Pero bago tayo mag-board, i-debrief ko lang kayo sa mga kabagay-bagay. So yeah, lately has been sort of like a transition from, Finn, our baby, being here in Dubai. So we've been quite busy. Sa mga sumusunod sa channel natin, lately parang yun nga, more lang about our life. And well, medyo busy rin kasi kami sa work. So, our time medyo nakukonsume sa work and really sa pag-transition as a family, as a new family. And I know yung iba sa inyo gusto manood ng yung luto namin sa bahay or yung luto sa restaurant or yung mga hole-in-the-wall places natin. Sige, noted naman, nagbabasa naman ako ng comments. Pero anyway, this journey right now / episode would be, I guess, just my flight back to Manila. Of course, taking PAL because, well, loyalista ako ng PAL. And I like the schedule. And I'm trying to earn my miles. Hopefully one day, someday, ma-reach ko yung, alam mo yan, working on it, pero matagal-tagal pa yata. Binilang ko parang mga nasa 50s pa yata. Anyways, okay, going back to the Philippines because I have a project Ayala Land Premier asked me to give a talk to their sort of like annual sales summit, or teka lang, may term yun eh. But yeah, this is my first ever speaking engagement. I am very, very excited. I'm looking forward to it. I am, I think, ready. I will be ready and I will deliver. I guess ito na. Kasi normally kayo lang kausap ko dito. Pero ito, seryoso na. Nasa stage na tayo and maraming nakikinig and may expectations yung tao, which I want to deliver. If not, surpass their expectations, but let's see. But I mean, not let's see, I will do my very best. So yun, as we go along, I will share some I guess somehow life lessons I've learned through the years. It wasn't always this case, meaning some of you might think that, you know, I go back and forth, na ginagawa kong kubaw lang ang Dubai to Manila or vice versa. Pero this is something I've dreamt and manifested, and now that it's happening, it's fun, yes, but it's work, you know. It's not as what you seem, or it's not what you think it is. Like, you know, social media can be somehow deceiving, or I guess yung mga pinapakita natin sa social media, yung gusto lang natin pakita. Sine-check ko lang kung nagre-record ka. Pero at the same time, I love doing it. And what are you gonna do with money? Or, di ba yung may mga kwento or may mga saying na maraming mayaman sa mundo na to, pero when they go home to an empty house, they're miserable, they're not so happy. But hey, case to case, kung whatever makes you happy and whatever floats your boat. But at least, I guess what I'm trying to say here is that money isn't everything. And I think what's important is that you enjoy what you do. Kasi no matter gaano pa karami yung pera mo, pero kung hindi ka happy, what's the point, right? Hindi ka magiging kontento sa buhay. I guess there are different forms of happiness. But anyway, tsaka na yan. Yung point ko, sorry tumitirik lang yung ADHD ko. So I'm like all over the place. And I'm looking my gates over there. Parang hindi pa naman boarding na, I think, ngayon. Okay, bago ako dumating sa point na to, sobrang dami kong failure, sobrang dami kong palpak. Hanggang ngayon pumapalpak pa rin, pero ang pinaka-importante is don't give up, keep going, keep moving forward. Kung may obstacle, di may obstacle. You know, find a way na kaya mo siyang lampasan or utin, or you know, figure it out. So yeah, it's a work in progress. Life should, you know, keep going. We will dive into that as we progress. It's just that I want to talk more about it, pero I want to go to my gate now. Okay, to be continued. If you guys have any questions, iwan na lang kayo sa comment section. Kung hindi ko alam yung sagot, tatanungin ko yung mga ibang magaling para masagot ko yung mga tanong nyo. Okay, I'll wrap it up, this part. I'll wrap it up by saying that lahat pinaghirapan, and sometimes ang nakikita ng tao ay yung byproduct na or yung end product na. In this case, hindi pa to end product. This is still a journey and it's an uphill battle. Alright, let us go to our gate. Alright. PR 659, Dubai to Manila. PR 658 is Manila to Dubai. Ano kaya ang menu for tonight? Hello. Hi. How are you guys? Hello guys. Thank you very much. Quick tour tayo. Habang wala pang tao. Hi guys! Hello, hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Mabilis na ikot lang. Hi. Evening. Ako. Ito talaga yung favorite part ko. Yung makalakad ka sa aeroplano na walang katao-tao. Hello. Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay. Ayun, nandyan na yung mic ko, nahulog, and the nice flight attendant helped me get it. Anyways, back to the food. Rice is really good. The lamb is good, though I wish it was just cooked a little bit more para mas malambot. This siding is pretty good. Overall, it's a great meal. Yung cut ng lamb parang almost like a lengua, pero yun nga, siguro mga 30-40 minutes na lang sa pot or sa pressure cooker, malamod na to. I say this all the time about Philippine Airlines, that yes, we may not have the newest aircrafts, we may not have the most advanced aircrafts. Oh, guys, meron tayong parating. We ordered, diba, 9 A350s, and pag dumating na yan, makakatulong na yan sa fleet natin. It's just that during the pandemic, diba, nagbalik tayo ng mga aircrafts na yung iba nilease natin, yung iba binenta natin, kaya nabawasan tayo ng mga bagong eroplano. And yung ibang eroplano rin na kahit na nandyan sa atin, kulang yung parts. So hindi siya makalipad. Anyways, kung saan tayo lamang na lamang is yung serbisyo. Kanina pa ako nag-observe sa kanila. Grabe. I mean, I've tried other airlines, pero I have to say, nasa top 5 tayo, if not top 3. Not being biased, maybe I am because I'm Filipino, but iba ang buong pusong alaga ng Philippine Airlines. Iba ang buong pusong alaga ng iba ang serbisyo ng Pilipino. Eto, pakita ko sa inyo. Kanina pa yan. Tingnan mo siya. Tingnan mo yung mata niya. Sincere. Yan. Tingnan mo yung ngiti niya. Yan. Tingnan mo. At saka, that's like, what? Minimum over a decade of experience? Iba. You know, and true siya. True and true. Kanina pa yan. Kahit sino. Ayan na naman. Yan, oo. Tingnan mo. Non-stop. Tuloy-tuloy. Oh, natural. Efficient. Yan, eye contact, body language, snappy. One of the best actually I've seen. Impressive. Galing mo, ma'am. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Thank you. May arrival na waiting area. Tapos aircon. Astig. Thank you, San Miguel. Chuleta! Chuleta! Hey, Chuleta! Are you happy? Daddy? Daddy? Are you waiting for mommy? Mommy's not here. Do you miss mommy and baby Finn? Huh? I can smell baby Finn. I can smell baby Finn and mommy. Well, baby Finn lang. And you? Do you miss daddy? Huh? Good girl. Grabe yung palambing, oh. Come here. Good girl. Alright, touchdown Manila. Ito yung first stop natin. Magcha-Chinese food tayo kasi tinanong ako ng parents-in-law ko kung anong gusto kong kainin. Dito tayo sa Summer Palace. Sino sa inyo maraming memories? Alam ko si Camille, pag nagkukwento siya, marami siyang mga kwento about this place eh. Gano'n nakatagal yung Summer Palace? Matagal na, no?
Sila may college pa.
So since college pa sila kumakain dito? Good afternoon. May dim sum card? Wala.
You don't have, hindi nyo na ba ibabalik yung dim sum card?
Yung hakaw na lagi natin in order, no? And siomai.
Siomai hakaw. One hakaw, one siomai. One mango shrimp roll. And the rest
Salted fish fried rice. Gusto ko mag-fish. Ano yung fish?
You have a fish.
Catfish. Meron tayong catfish yung lapu-lapu.
You have fish in the clay pot.
Sichuan catfish.
No, the seafood clay pot.
Anong gamit yung isda?
Soulfish. Meron po kaming cod, sir.
Cod
Baka
lang?
gusto niyo, sir.
Baka mas masarap yung cod.
Opo, so bestseller namin yun. Pwede siyang light soy sauce or ano po, green apple fruit sauce.
So yung barbecue pork buns, limited lang?
Limited lang.
Hindi yan, it's not the barbecue pork bun. It's barbecue.
Yung asad?
Barbecue pastry.
Meron din tayong pastry.
Yan.
Check ko lang ma'am kung may pastry pa, if ever na meron.
Sige. This is the most plump hakaw. Si Camille maiinggit. Hey Camille, wala ka dito.
We're here so often. If they change the chef, we know the chef is not the same one.
Uy! Musta? New Year? Oh, look at that. Tingnan mo yung siomai na yan. Ito yung siomai na hindi tinipid sa shrimp. At kaka-form lang. Salted fish fried rice. How's the hakao, Mom? Is it good? Is it the same chef? Ah, talaga?
Sabi ko dapat pati sa Bacolod yung warming, magkano may sponsor. Kasi mga sabi ko dapat may involve sila dito, diba? Para makilala naman sila. Di mga magagaling, nare-recruit agad. Kasi maraming magagaling sa Huacho, tsaka sa Bacolod.
Pwede ko na, sir?
Sige. Grabe yung shrimp, it's so plump. Tapos yung shrimp dito matamis.
Ano ba?
Sa Dubai hindi matamis yung shrimp eh.
Totoo ba?
Si Daddy, kumain na dito?
Pero ito lang sila.
Did he like it? Actually, tawagan ko ba nga sila eh.
Alam mo, itong siomai hakao, yung sa China food, hindi ganun kaganda siomai hakao.
So, mas masarap dito?
Mas malaki.
Mas malaki. I actually agree. There are some dishes that are good here or better here than in other restaurants. So parang it's hard to say this restaurant is better or example, this restaurant is better than the other restaurant. Pero may mga strengths sila eh. Yung isa mas masarap yung ganito nila. Ako I agree, the siomai here is better and the hakao.
Sobrang laki naman ng siya. Yung base. Laki ng base.
This is
Yeah. So, if you guys...
mainit pa. Kanina pa yan, di ba?
Ano nga tawag nito, ma'am?
Mango shrimp.
Mango shrimp roll. Order it here at Shang Palace. Yeah. This is so hard to eat. When you eat this, you eat it whole.
Hindi kaya.
Ito, delicious. Na-maintain pa rin.
Ano mo yung laman ng siomai na yun, no? Like, it's good quality pork. It's fresh. And kaka-steam lang. Hindi siya yung... Hindi. Kaka-mold lang pala. And then steam. Cooked to order talaga. Or made to order, rather. Oo. Diba, to take out ko to. Para may kainin ako sa bahay.
Wala si kami sa amin.
Maraming salamat, Shang Palace, for the lovely, lovely dim sum. For me, if you want good siomai and good hakao, this would be the place. Really, it feels like you're in Hong Kong. Sayang hindi natin natikman yung
Barbecue pork paste.
yeah, barbecue
It's
pork.
always out of
O, kailangan maaga ka, no?
or call ahead.
Ah, call ahead. Alright.